Hi mga kabigis! Pasko na! Let's make a Christmas handaan extra exciting with McCormick Honey Mustard na pwede pang dip, pang marinade, and pang dressing na pwedeng-pwede on any occasion. Wow! Thank you so much, McCormick Honey Mustard, for sending me this PR kit, no? Grabe, nag elevate na talaga yung mga brands ngayon and may mga ganito na silang dips, dressings, and marinades, no? Like honey mustard. Pero syempre, gusto ko rin muna tikman bago tayo gumawa ng mga dishes, no? So, let's just get a ramekin. Let's just get an ample size. Ayan, oh. And then squeeze lang natin. Ay, ang ganda ng color. Look, oh. Hindi siya masyadong sharp na yellow. So, tikman natin kung masyado bang matapang or masyado bang matamis or tamang-tama lang siya. Ang sarap! Hindi siya masyadong matapang na mustard at ang sarap ng pagka-sweet niya. Tamang-tama lang. May pagka-maasim ng konti. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga gagawin nating dishes. So, stay tuned! Unahin natin ang charcuterie holiday platter using McCormick Honey Mustard as a dip. Now, the key to any charcuterie platter is its arrangement, no? Pag maganda ang arrangement mo, kahit anong ilagay mo dyan, paniguradong mukhang masarap at kakainin yan. And now, here are the ingredients for our charcuterie holiday platter. So sabi ko nga kanina, the key for a good and nice looking charcuterie platter is in its arrangement. So what we have are, of course, meron tayong holiday ham, meron tayong konting crackers and nuts. Syempre, importante yan for that texture. Of course, meron tayong cheese. Kung kaya naman natin bumili ng blue cheese or pwedeng any kind of cheese, kahit cheddar cheese lang pwede, pero as of now, I have blue cheese and cream cheese. And then, of course, meron tayong cucumber, carrots, meron tayong konting lettuce to highlight some of the ingredients, no? Rosemary to garnish. Of course, meron tayong celery. And of course, meron tayong queso de bola for that Christmas feel. Finally, we have fruits, no? Maglagay tayo ng konting fruits. We have red grapes and muscat. Now, let's start with our vegetables, no? I-process muna natin yung mga vegetables. So, now we peel the carrots. Yan. Gagawa lang tayo ng mga batonette sticks, no? So, it's like a thick matchstick para sa dips natin for the charcuterie, no? So, process lang natin siya. So, sukatin lang natin mga 2 inches or 3. Yan. So, what we have is like that, no? Parang mga batonettes. May konting trimmings, pero pwede pang gamitin sa mga soups, no? Yeah. Now, let's remove this. And our cucumber naman. So, peel this off lang. Balatan lang natin siya. Cut. Cut. Then, sukatin lang natin as the same length ng ating carrots, no? Yan. Para maganda tingnan, dapat pantay-pantay. Yan. Tanggalin lang natin yung seeds. Yan. We deseeded it. Ang kagandahan sa charcuterie board is that you can make this in advance, no? Para hindi na siya makadagdag sa holiday Christmas Noche Buena rush ninyo. Lalagay nyo lang to sa ref and then you can serve it chilled, no? So we have cucumber sticks. It's good that you have vegetables in your charcuterie board also to add freshness. Kasi marami akong nakikitang charcuterie board. puro ham, puro keso, pero walang masyadong fruits and vegetables. So, it's good to add veggies to your charcuterie board. Make it, of course, more healthy. It's also good that you have McCormick honey mustard, no? Readily available in the market. You can just buy one bottle or two or three. Depends on your need, no? Let's get a stalk of celery. Kunin na natin to lahat. Cut na natin dito. Alam niyo ba na ang celery ay binabalatan din? Yan. So, same as the other vegetables. So, cut lang natin siya. Make sure that you wash your vegetables, ha? Kasi kakainin to ng raw. So, cut lang natin siya into 2 kung manipis yung celery masyado or into 3 kung masyadong makapal. So, we have our celery sticks. Ito, kagaya nito, masyadong makapal. So, we cut this into 3 para mas manageable yung pagkain ng tao. Yeah. So, we're done with the veggies. Now, yung mga keso naman ang i-process natin. So, for our blue cheese, madali lang to. Kuha lang tayo ng fork and i-crumble lang natin siya. Huwag masyadong durog, no? Just to make it crumbly lang. So, that's the style that we're going for, no? Rustic lang yung approach natin sa charcuterie. So, since Christmas, so dapat meron tayong queso de bola. So, kuha lang tayo ng quarter portion of this queso de bola. Yan. O, di ba? Perfect! And then, cut lang natin siya into triangle strips, no? Or triangle shape. Ayan. So, triangle na yan. So, pwede na nating ituloy-tuloy yan. Ay! Nag-break! Okay lang yan. Pwede pang bumalik yan. So, pwedeng ganyan para hindi mag-break. Kung matanggal man yung red, okay lang. Huwag matakot, huwag kabahan. Huwag kang matakot. So, lagay muna natin to on the side. Maya natin ayusin. Ayan, no? Merry Christmas ang dating niya. Okay? After our cheese, we process our ham naman. So, meron na tayong na-slice na ham kanina. So, cube lang, no? Just want to show you how it's done. So, from the hamon de bola shape, so i-cube lang natin. Yan, ganyan lang kaliliit. Bite-sized pieces para madaling tusukin ng toothpick. Para makita ng mga netizens. Yan, that's it. Ayan. Okay na tayo sa ham. Fruits are just like this. I-arrange ko lang siya in a charcuterie. Crackers, you can just buy store-bought. And of course, our honey mustard. Store-bought din ito. And then we'll just plate it a little later. Okay, now we arrange the entire charcuterie board. So, in arranging it, kailangan ko mag-gloves, no? So, let's start, of course, sa ating star of the charcuterie plate, which is our honey mustard. So, lagay lang natin siya sa gitna. Make sure na malinis ang ating plate. And then, pisilin lang natin siya dyan. Yan, o. Yan. So, nasa gitna na siya. And then, we'll arrange the entire plate sa paligid niya. So, we'll start with the cream cheese. So, ayusin lang natin siya. So, smudge lang natin siyang ganyan. Use the back of the spoon in smudging, no? Siguro mga 5 muna. 5. Tapos, in-betweens nung mga smudge. Parang gumagawa ka ng flour. So, mamaya, pag kinain to, pwedeng i-dip na yung mga crackers dyan. Gaganunin nyo na. Yan. Tapos, 1. So, that's your cream cheese. Ayan. Makita nyo? Hindi nalalaglag yan. O, diba? Tapos nyan, we'll put the vegetables around, no? Layer tayo ng lettuce for the other ingredient, no? So, since bilog to, paikot ko na rin ilalagay yung mga elements. Ayan. Ito naman yung isa. Then, the other one, dito lang sa labas. Flatten lang natin para manageable. And then, since katabi niya ay cream cheese, maglagay tayo ng carrots. Ayan, pwede na rin yan. And then, after that, lagay tayo ng ham dito. Para pop yung color na brown or flesh, kaya tayo naglagay ng green. Tapos, marami pa tayong ilalagay. Pwedeng sundan natin ng celery after the ham. Pwedeng crisscross, crisscross. It's up to you. Pwedeng sobrang arranged niya. Pwede rin. Pero ako yung medyo rustic ng konti. Ayoko na masyadong perfect. After that, let's put our second queso, which is our queso de bola. Yan. Labas lang natin. Para ka lang nag-arrange ng deck of cards. It's also fun, no? Pwede rin siya maging bonding time with your family when you arrange this. There! And then, what else do we have? Our cucumbers. Pwedeng itabi natin yung ating cucumbers with our cheese. Yan. Arrange lang natin na maganda. Yan. Okay, next is our blue cheese naman. So, yung crinumble natin kanina can just be rustically placed this way. Make sure it's still beautiful. Parang it's like a beautiful mess. So, okay lang yung nag-overlap sa ibang parts, no, of your charcuterie. And then, we have the nuts, no, and the crackers. So, for the nuts, gusto ko parang ilagay lang dito sa isa. O, di ba? Yan, o. Bongga. Sarap. And then, crackers, no? Dito na lang sa may veggies. Sa may lettuce. So, texture-wise, kuhang-kuha niyo yung texture and flavor, no? With all of these ingredients. With all of these components. Ayan. And then, ang ating fruits. So, since wala na masyadong space, konti-konti lang lagay natin. Make it more refreshing dito. Sa side na to. And then, pitasin na natin. Yan. Konti-konti lang. For accents. And then, ibalik na natin ang ating McCormick honey mustard dressing. And, konting rosemary for accents. There you have it, mga kabigis. Ang ating charcuterie holiday platter. Of course, with McCormick honey mustard as a dip. Ganda. Ang colorful, very Christmas. So now na nagamit na natin ang McCormick honey mustard as a dip, let's use it naman as a marinade. So here are the ingredients for our honey mustard grilled chops. So, during handaan, syempre madalas nating makita that we have hamon, de bola, or lechon, or baka. Let's make pork chops naman as a centerpiece, no? So, we will do honey mustard grilled chops, no? So, first step would be creating the marinade, no? Now, in creating the marinade, of course, we have pineapple juice, no? For that Christmas feel. Yan. Parang hindi nahalo maigi. Yun ang laman, oh. And then, barbecue sauce. Lahat lang yan. Lagay na lang natin lahat. And then, a little bit of oyster sauce. And then, a little bit of ketchup. Yan. Onion powder. Buhos na natin yan. Halu-haluin lang natin. Halu-haluin. And then, garlic powder. Halu-haluin na rin natin. Siyempre, next is our rosemary. So, chop lang natin, no? So, kuha lang tayo ng konti. Pampabango lang during roasting period. Set aside lang natin to. And then we chop. Rough chop lang. Para kapag grill natin siya, iba yung hatid na bango. Okay na yan. Konti lang. Aroma lang naman ang habol natin dyan. Balik natin. Mix. And then, of course, our McCormick Honey Mustard. Yan. Oo. Damihan natin for that sweet. Yan. Then, halo lang natin. Mix, mix, mix. So, napakabango nito. Napakasarap. So, yung ating pineapple juice will be the parang vehicle of all the flavors para ma-transport niya lahat ng flavors dun sa meat na meron tayo. Then, let's just wear gloves in marination, no? Okay, so what we have here is a chop, no? Pork chop, pero malalaki siya, makakapal. Pinakat ko sa butcher ng mas makakapal para very grand yung dating ng ating handaan, ng ating Christmas handaan. Okay, so i-marinate lang natin siya for 1 hour at least or overnight kung kaya, no? Kung may oras ka naman, then buhos na natin tong marinate. Yang! Oh, bango! Then, of course, konting salt and pepper. There! And then, we mix. Make sure lang na dumaan ang lahat ng parts ng baboy into the marinade para makapag-absorb siya ng flavor. Yan, oh. Parang ngayon pa lang masarap na. Bango. Nakikita mo yung mustard, oh. Ganda. And then, pasok nyo lang sa ref nyo for about 1 to 2 hours or overnight kung meron naman kayong oras mag-marinate. And then, we grill. Now, after 2 hours of marination, so ayan na siya, no? Ready na tayo to grill. So, gagamit ako ngayon ng grill pan lang since ayokong lumabas para mag-ihaw ng with uling or something. So, pwede nyo naman gawin yon sa inyong bahay if you have that ihawan. So, go lang. Pwede nyo iihaw to with uling. But for me, I'm just doing it in an induction ready pan. Yan, let's just put oil. Spread out lang natin with the rosemary. Kung wala kayong brush. So, ito na ang gamitin natin. Yan, make sure na it's hot before placing your meat. And wag masyadong mainit, no? So, low to medium heat lang ang ating heat kasi medyo maraming sugar to. So, baka masunog agad. So, unahin natin yung nasa ilalim. Since ito yung na-marinate na ng matagal. So, ayan. So, lagay natin. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Isa pa. Bango! I think kasha pa ang isa dyan. Yan. So, what we're achieving here is the grill marks, no? Magkaroon lang siya ng grill marks on both sides. Then, pasok na natin siya sa oven, no? After a minute or 2 minute mark, pwede na natin siyang i-flip. Or, kung meron ng grill marks, yan! Lovely. Another one. It's perfect. It's giving perfection. Perfection. Now we're going to flip again for the next 2 minutes. Yan. Oh, ganda. Okay na to for now since ipapasok pa natin siya sa oven. So we'll just put it in a baking dish. Yan. And we'll just repeat in the next batches of pork. Let's see if we can, may grill marks na siya. Yeah. Ay! i-ano lang natin for the crisscross marks. At least mas concentrated siya. Then, i-flip. Bango! Render lang natin ng konting fat kasi masyadong mataba. You can slice off the fat, no? Kung gusto nyo. Pero sa akin kasi flavor yan. It's flavor bomb. Flavor bomb. Kaya hindi ko tatanggalin yan. Yan, no? Pak! Yan, no? Oh. Bongga. And then, we put it in the oven for 20 minutes until the internal temperature reaches until mga 63 degrees Celsius or Celsius degree. Pasok natin sa oven. Ooh, sarap! Ayan na, mga kabigis! Oh, eto na, mga kabigis! Luto na! Ayan. So, now we plate this grilled chops, no? So, let's get a plate. Bandihado lang. And then, we layer with lettuce. Yan. Gandahan lang natin yung pag-layer ng lettuce. Yan. Tapos, meron sa corner sa taas. And then, meron din dito sa ibaba. And then, we get our tongs. We plate our grilled chops. Ayan. Oh, ang sarap. Ang laki-laki. Ang tawa-taba. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Very festive. And then, lagyan natin ng konting fruits on the side para mas mukhang festive. Lagyan din natin ng greens. Yan. Pa. And then, rosemary. Since gumamit tayo ng rosemary, saksakan natin. Para magmukhang festive na festive and magmukhang Pasko na Pasko. And of course, ni-level up ang ating dishes, na-elevate ang ating dish because of McCormick Honey Mustard. Ayan, perfect. There you have it, mga kabigis. Our honey mustard grilled chops. Of course, pina-level up and in-elevate ng McCormick Honey Mustard. For our last and final dish, so i-recap lang natin, no? So tapos na tayo sa dip, tapos na tayo sa marinade, and now we will make it as a dressing. Our McCormick Honey Mustard as a dressing naman. So, one flavorful sauce in so many limitless ways, no? Kayang-kayang gawin yan ng McCormick Honey Mustard. So, for our third dish, we will be making a classic potato salad, but of course, with a sweet and tangy buzz. Hatid sa atin ng McCormick Honey Mustard. And the ingredients for our classic potato salad are... Okay, so we'll start peeling our potatoes, no? So meron na akong nakapeel dito. Dagdagan na lang natin siya. So we'll make sure na malinis ang ating potatoes bago natin hiwain. Pwede ka naman kayong gumamit ng peeler if you want. Pero ako masanay ako sa kutsilyo. You can use any kinds of potatoes with this potato salad. You can use marble potatoes if you want. Walang problema doon. You just make sure na malinis siya bago lutuin or bago lagain. So this is a version from a classic Japanese potato salad, no? May carrots, may konting cucumber. Pero what we'll do with the carrots and the cucumber, lagyan muna natin siya ng salt mamaya para matanggal yung excess moisture. And then, pipigain natin. Okay, okay na to. Dami na yan siguro. And then, we'll cut our potatoes into quarters, no? Or smaller pa. Para mas madali siyang lumambot. And that will be the shape of the potatoes once na maluto siya. And once na i-mix natin siya with the honey mustard dressing. Okay, so hinugasan natin. And then, i-drop na lang natin siya dito sa boiling water. So, nagpakulo na ako kanina bago mag-start yung prep. So, ayan, kumukulo na siya. We'll drop it in 1, 2, 3. May asin na rin to, by the way. So, hintayin lang natin siya kumulo about 10 to 15 minutes or until fork tender. Okay, so now we peel our carrots, no? Yan, ganyan lang. Pagdating naman sa carrots, mas maganda talaga yung peeler. Para said na said yung balat. There. After peeling your carrots, parang gusto kong gumawa ng ribbons of carrots, no? Lagay natin dito sa bowl. So, ito pa rin, peeler pa rin. Yan, ganyan-ganyan lang. Para ka lang din nagbabalat, pero maninipis lang siya. Ikot-ikot nyo lang yung carrots. Yan. I think this is enough. So, ayan, madami na yan. We'll put it in a bowl, in a separate bowl. And ganun din si cucumber. We'll just peel the skin, no? And then, ganun pa rin. Ribbons of ano pa rin. Of cucumber. Kita nyo, watery siya. So, this method, at least, hindi na kayo magtatanggal ng buto. May iiwan na to sa gitna. So, pag nakikita nyo na yung buto, iwasan nyo na. Lagay din natin dyan. After that, we put salt para ma-extract niya yung water. Yan. Okay lang madami. Hugasan naman natin siya a little later. So, haluin lang natin. Make sure na covered with salt yung carrots and yung cucumber. So, mag-wilt siya with salt. Then, pipigain natin siya. Hindi natin isasama yung excess water. Kasi kapag hindi natin, pag in-skip natin tong process na to, magtutupig yung salad nyo. Ayan. So, after that, while we wait, so, asikasuhin natin yung potatoes. Tignan natin, makaluto na yung patatas natin. Tignan natin kung fork tender na baga. Hindi pa, malayo pa sa katotohanan. Tagal-tagal pa. Okay, let's wait for it to cook, no? While we're waiting, gawin natin ang honey mustard dressing. Now, we will make our dressing. So, remove muna natin to. Then, enter natin tong bowl. Now, we mix our McCormick honey mustard dressing. So, 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Tapos, mayonnaise. Any brand will do. Pero right now, I'm using a Japanese kind mayonnaise, no? Japanese mayo. Konting wasabi for that wonderful kick. And then, konting salt and pepper. Then, that's it. Ganyan siya kasimple. You don't need to add sugar because meron ng Honey C, McCormick, honey mustard. And now we mix. Ayan. Diba, ang dali lang. Very simple. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-sukat ng timpla for the mustard and the honey. So, lagay lang kayo ng lagay sa bowl. Depende sa panlasa nyo, of course. Kung mas gusto nyo, mas matapang yung honey, well then go. Panalo. Sarap. Very Japanese-inspired salad. Balikan natin tong carrots and cucumber. Ayan na, oh. Ayan, oh. Pwede na siya. Pigain nyo lang ng malala. Okay lang naman madurog-durog yan. Kasi pag minix mo yan all together, yan. Now, let's just get a ramekin, no? Para dito. So, pigain lang natin. Ayan, ang daming nakuwang water from both carrots and ano. Pigain lang natin. Hugasan pa naman natin to. Yan, lagay lang natin dyan. Nilalagyan din natin siya ng asin para matanggal din yung pait ng cucumber. Di ba merong parang pait yung cucumber tsaka carrot? So, matatanggal din yan. Hugasan ko lang to. So there, ayan, mas dry na siya ngayon. Pwede na siyang gamitin. So, we have the carrots and cucumber mix. We have the dressing. So now we're waiting for the potatoes to be cooked. Mukhang luto na siya. Yan, naglabas na siya ng starch niya. So I think this is good. Ayan, lambot na. So, kunin lang natin to. And then, sandukin natin ang mga patatas. Yan. Matutuyo yan on its own kasi mainit pa naman siya. So, yung steam niyan, siya yung magpapatuyo sa sarili niya. Parang ganon. So, yan. Palamigin lang natin siya ng 10 to 20 minutes or until pwede mo na siyang mahawakan at makagat, syempre. And of course, para hindi malusaw yung ating dressing. Yan. So there you have it. Okay, let's mix our salad. Let's just get a bowl. And then, of course, our potatoes. So, pinalamig na namin to. Para mapabilis yung process, pwede nyo siyang ibabad sa ice cold water. Para hindi na kayo mag-antay ng matagal. Or, pwede ring hayaan yung lumamig on its own. And then, we put our carrots and cucumber. Yan. Then, of course, our chives or spring onions. Pampalasa. Sarap to. And then, our dressing. Our honey mustard dressing. Elevated, of course, by McCormick Honey Mustard. Lagay lang natin lahat sa iding natin. Wala tayo ititira. And now, we mix everything together. Yan, oh. Color pa lang. Ang ganda na. Of course, you can add other ingredients, no? I believe yung ibang Japanese salad has eggs on it, no? So, pwede rin kayo mag-add ng gano'n. It's really up to you. It's your own dish. You have the freedom. But if you don't like, so, eto lang to. Tapos na to. Yan. Simple lang siya. Pero, leveled up with our McCormick Honey Mustard Dressing. Transfer na natin into plate. Yan, oh. Very creamy. Ganda. Very colorful. And very festive. Parang ang sarap. Perfect. Tikman natin yung dressing. Ang sarap. Sweet, tangy. May asim ng konti. Nag-kick in din yung wasabi. Ang sarap. Love it. And of course, we finish with a little bit of lettuce sa sides, no? Konti-konti lang. For accents lang naman. Labas natin yung mga curls ng lettuce. Ayan, oh. Siyempre, konting spring onions on top. There you have it, mga kabigis. Our classic potato salad, elevated, of course, by McCormick Honey Mustard. Hey, there you go. Sarap. There you have it, mga kabigis. Mapadip, marinade, o dressing sa lahat ng handaan, McCormick Honey Mustard ang masarap balik-balikan. Tandaan, hindi lang basta luto, i-level up ang inyong dishes with good food plating and with McCormick Honey Mustard. Dahil bawat plato, may kwento. So mga kabigis, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos ng When Chef Joel Creates. Tikman na natin. Tara. Ang sarap. Sausaw natin. Ang sarap. Smoky, juicy, tangy, lahat pinagsama-sama sa bibig mo. Explosive!